What's up, everybody? Keith here at the 10th LS Fest. It's gonna be a whole lot of action today. We've got some insane drift cars going on later tonight. Drag racing all day, autocross all day. We've got some road racing going on over at NCM. And there's gonna be a burnout contest tomorrow night. And Tim's Fairmont might just take home the win.
Folks, that's a wrap for the end of day one. There was a huge turnout. The weather was